Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this rolling storage cart. It has 12 drawers. These can be used as a mobile rolling utility cart for school, office, home, beauty salons, file arrangement. This is a great storage organizer and it comes in the rainbow colors. So this one is offered in many different colors. You've got the rainbow color, black, clear, multicolor, and yellow. So this is a 12 drawer rolling cart. And it has like a little top table right here. You've got the 4 bigger ones and you got your mediums and then your small. This is a 25 by 15.2 by 32.6. So let's go ahead and start unboxing this. This is super easy to put together. It creates a tidy and clean space. You can keep away from the messy area. It has got ample storage and space to put your tools, your documents, cosmetics, clothes. It's got the convenient handles, easy to open knobs. So right here are the drawers. You've got the 4 big ones. You got 2 purples and 2 blues. You've got greens and yellows. You've got the wheels. You got the bottom poles. And then here is the top of the rolling cart. So you have ample storage. This is super easy to put together. So I'm just going to open this up and start putting it together one by one. We're going to start on each side of these because you've got the 2 sides. You've got the top that will be put on the last. So we're going to go ahead and pull out the instructions manual. It's basically super easy to put together. It is simple, as easy as 1, 2, 3. So here is the bottom one. You just screw in. So you've got each side. You've got the middle port. You got the metal top. So these are where the drawers will screw into. So you've got the top ones right here, the front and back. You just screw it on the end of the insides. And then you have the top table port. You just pop it in there. It just sets right into the little legs right here at the top. So this has 12 drawers. They are a rolling storage. So these are the things that will go into the drawers. These screws go on the back side and the other one goes at the front. So now that we got all the knobs on, you have one last step. There's these little clips that go on the side. That helps it from the drawer of falling out in the front. You can see the little holes right here. They do have it the front and the back, but you do not want to put them in the back. You want to put them right here up in the front. So this is super sturdy and durable. It is a rolling storage cart. It's made of high quality steel frame with a chrome finish. It is durable to ensure long time use. With the 12 drawers, it gives you enough space to put whether it's your school books, your cosmetics, your documents. You've got 4 large drawers, 8 small drawers. The premium storage cart gives you enough space to store items at different heights. They have 4 wheels for each mobility. The storage cart is designed to smooth universal wheels to meet your desire to move anywhere. So I have mine completely full with my son's schoolwork and his books. So all you do is just grab it on this side and then it rolls anywhere you want it to go. And then you see these little clips on the side. It helps it from coming completely out so they do not drop it. You don't have to worry about these containers falling out. They do offer in several different colors. Like I said, this one here is because my son uses this for his schoolwork. It's definitely a lifesaver. I had a different container to put his schoolwork and stuff. It didn't look nice and it actually took a lot of space. So I decided to purchase this one to eliminate all the space that I had in the bedroom that was a mess. So with these drawers here, all his books will fit, all his school supplies, his pencils and pens. This can also be used other than school material. So if you're looking for something that gives you a little extra space that is really nice and reliable and you can move it around, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. This is a super nice one. If you like the rainbow color like this one, this is what it will look like, but they do offer in several different colors. So if you're using it for an office, it will go with your office look.